Hari Om. Welcome to the Tattvat Yoga. Today is day 4, Ma Kushmanda, the creativity and the cosmic egg. Goddess Kushmanda, the one who created the universe with her gentle smile. She represents creativity, warmness, and life. Today, Sankalpa is all about igniting creativity and cultivating inner light. The key posture of today is the Dhanurasana, yoga focused twisting and backbending to strokes, internal fire and open the heart. Today we are doing warm up, then asana, and then we're doing the meditation. So in the warm up we are doing cat and cow pose with a added side stretching, and then we're doing asana, seated twisted, or the Matsyendrasana, the camel pose, Ustrasana, bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana, and the last we are doing the Dhanurasana. Then we're doing the meditation. Today we will just sit and chanting 11 times Om Devi Ma Kushmandaye Namaha. So let's start. So let's start the warm up with a cat and cow pose. So just seated in the Vajrasana in center of your mat first. So we are seated in the Vajrasana. Inhale, raise up your arms and slowly stretch, touching to the floor. Now stand in your knees, feet apart, should be on a hip distance, shoulder and hands on a one line, hip and knee on a one line. We will go 5 times. Inhale, head up and make an arch on your back. As you exhale, make an hunch on your back. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. First, take a deep inhale. As you exhale, make an hunch and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly take a deep inhale. As you exhale, release the posture and just hold for here. Now slowly make your arms forward a little bit. Yes. Now inhale, stretch your right leg toward the sky. As you exhale, stretch crossing to your body. Again, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. One last time. Inhale up and exhale down and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale. Now with the left side. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale back to the center. Now seated in the Vajrasana and take a few moments resting your body. This is the sequence. So as I starting, we will do the basic back bending. First, lay down on your belly. Okay. So this is the posture where your feet together and side of your chest under the shoulder level, and your elbow should be tucking to your body. Forehead down. Now slowly inhale, head up and chest up. This is the posture. Just support with your hand and Slowly hold. As you exhale, down, release. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now this is the last round. So we will go with the holding and with a full extension. Take a deep inhale, exhale. Now take a deep inhale, head up first and head up. So this is the posture. The elbow should be little bit bending and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So release, exhale, head down, side of your body and relax in the Makarasana where legs apart, big toes on the opposite side looking and your hands resting on your head. And relax. So from the Makarasana, as you relax, slowly feet together again. There should be a gap between the feet. Okay? So just slowly bending your legs. We will focus on the key posture for today. Now slowly take your arm back, hold your ankle and gently inhale, first head up, chest up, then knees up and hold for 5 seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly exhale, release the posture, release the leg, resting on the Makarasana. Now bring your feet together again, hand side of your chest, slowly pushing upward and seated on the Balasana. And slowly inhale and release the posture. Now here, what we do, we will do one more back bending asana. That is the Ustra Asana. So in the Ustra Asana, what you have to do? There should be a gap between the knees and the feet. So just like this. And inhale, raise up your arms and drop your hands slowly one by one. And here. And hold for 5 seconds. Pushing your hip forward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly inhale, raise up your arm first and exhale, seated and then go for the Balasana again for the counter stretch and hold for 5 seconds here. Now slowly lifting up. Now we will do the last pose of today, which is Ardha Masendra Asana, the spinal twisting. This is a very good for our solar plexus. So what we have to do? First, seated in the Dhanasana, hands side of your body, straight your back, and slowly bending your right leg and your ankle, foot is here, feet apart. Slowly taking your right leg, left leg and putting on the near the right knee Now, what we have to do? Slowly inhale it to your right hand. Now slowly exhale, turning on your left side, placing your elbow here and over the ankle. Now slowly you can in front of your body raise the arms and slowly take your hand to the back side and look on the left side to the shoulder line and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly inhale, release the hand first and then release the left leg and release the right leg. Now what we have to do? We have to do on the right side also. So again, take your left leg bending. Now take your right foot, side of your left knee. Now slowly inhale, raise up your arm, slowly exhale, supporting the hands. Now slowly looking towards your hand and now look to your right shoulder line. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly inhale, release the hand, release the right hand and the left hand, release the right leg and the left leg. So this is the asana practice. Sit it in any comfortable posture. After the asana series, now we will have to do the meditation sessions also. So back should be straight, hand resting on your knees in a Gyan Mudra. Your thumb and the point finger touching and the rest of 3 fingers should be straight and resting on your knees. Slowly and gently closing your eyes. Take a few breaths, inhale and exhale 2 to 3 times. So now we will chant the mantra 11 times. The mantra is Om Devi Kushmandaya Namaha. Take a deep inhale and start. Om Devi Kushmandaya Namaha. 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 Slowly bringing the palms together, rubbing the palms, generate the heat on the palms. Slowly touching your eyes, your face and your whole body. Now slowly, gently open your eyes. So this is the end of the today's sessions. I hope you enjoy the session and we will see you tomorrow on the day 5. Hari Om Tat Sat.